Earth Hidden Facts. You must know. These facts will blow your mind. Let's reveal the hidden truth and smash that subscribe button. First, Earth is unique in the cosmos for one reason: liquid water. Our planet sits in the Goldilocks zone, where it's not too hot or too cold, allowing water to flow freely. This simple molecule is the foundation of life, shaping landscapes, regulating climate, and sustaining every living thing. Our bodies are nearly 60% water, walking oceans in a sense. The water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, distributes this vital resource across the globe. Oceans absorb and release heat, rivers carve canyons, and rain nourishes forests. Liquid water is rare in the universe, but here it's the heartbeat of a living world. The miracle of water is what makes Earth vibrant, dynamic, and alive. Second, beneath our feet lies Earth's core, a blazing sphere of iron and nickel as hot as the sun's surface. The solid inner core is surrounded by a churning sea of molten metal, generating powerful electrical currents. This geodynamo creates Earth's magnetic field, shielding us from cosmic radiation. The core's heat drives volcanoes and earthquakes, shaping continents and oceans. Without this internal engine, Earth would be lifeless and exposed. Our planet is not a cold rock, but a dynamic system with a star-hot heart. The core's restless energy shapes our world from within. Third, Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It's an oblate spheroid, slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This shape is caused by the planet's rotation, which pushes outward at the equator. The equatorial diameter is about 42 kilometers greater than pole to pole. Because of this bulge, the highest point from Earth's center isn't Everest, but Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador. Our planet's form is a story written by physics, not perfection. Even the most basic aspects of Earth are shaped by dynamic forces. The world we see from space is a beautiful illusion. Earth is a spinning, living body. Its imperfection is part of its wonder. Fourth, most of us grow up believing that a day is exactly 24 hours long, a simple cycle of sunrise and sunset. But the reality is a bit more complex and fascinating. Earth's true rotation period, the time it takes to spin once on its axis, is actually a little less than 24 hours. This subtle difference is hidden in plain sight, woven into the fabric of our daily routines. What we call a solar day, the interval from one noon to the next, is 24 hours, because as Earth spins, it's also traveling along its orbit around the Sun. This means that after completing a full rotation, Earth has to turn just a bit more for the Sun to appear in the same spot in the sky. That extra rotation takes about 4 minutes, stretching our day to the familiar 24 hours. If we measure a day by the stars instead, we get what's called a sidereal day. This is the time it takes for Earth to complete one full spin relative to distant stars, not the Sun. A sidereal day is only 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds long, almost 4 minutes shorter than a solar day. Over days and weeks, this 4-minute difference adds up. That's why if you look at the night sky at the same time each night, you'll notice the stars slowly shifting westward. This gradual drift is a direct result of the difference between solar and sidereal time, and it's why constellations change position with the seasons. The interplay between Earth's rotation and its journey around the Sun creates the rhythm of our days and nights, shaping everything from our calendars to our sense of time passing. It's a cosmic dance that has guided life on Earth for billions of years. Our clocks and watches are set to follow the Sun, keeping us in sync with daylight and darkness. But the universe operates on its own schedule, indifferent to human conventions. The stars, planets, and galaxies move to rhythms that stretch far beyond our daily experience. This subtle difference between solar and sidereal time is a reminder of the elegant mechanics at work behind the scenes of our everyday lives. It's a testament to the precision and beauty of the cosmos, and to the ways in which our lives are shaped by forces we rarely notice. Even the very concept of time is shaped by Earth's cosmic journey, connecting us to the universe in ways both profound and humbling. Fifth, Earth's atmosphere is a thin, invisible shield that wraps our planet in a protective embrace, safeguarding all life below. Though it appears delicate, a mere wisp of blue from space, it is our first and most vital line of defense against the dangers of the cosmos. Without this barrier, Earth would be exposed to the relentless bombardment of space debris and the deadly energy of solar radiation. Every night, meteoroids streak across the sky, burning up as brilliant shooting stars. These fiery trails are evidence of our atmosphere at work, vaporizing countless fragments before they ever reach the ground. Without this constant protection, our planet's surface would be pockmarked with craters, and life as we know it would be impossible. The ozone layer, a crucial part of this shield, absorbs the sun's most harmful ultraviolet rays. By filtering out these invisible threats, the atmosphere makes it possible for plants, animals, and humans to thrive on the surface, shielding us from radiation that could otherwise cause severe harm. This fragile veil does more than just protect, it moderates our climate, shapes our weather, and provides the oxygen we breathe. It acts as a buffer, softening the extremes of temperature and guarding us from the harshness of space. The gentle winds, the clouds drifting overhead, and the rain that nourishes our crops all depend on this dynamic system. The discovery of the ozone hole was a wake-up call for humanity. It revealed just how delicate our shield truly is, and how easily it can be damaged by our actions. Scientists around the world now work tirelessly to monitor and protect this vital layer, reminding us that our atmosphere is not invincible. The atmosphere is more than just air. It's a living, breathing guardian that is constantly in motion. From swirling storms to gentle breezes, it is always at work, balancing and sustaining the conditions necessary for life. Every breath we take, every cloud that drifts by, every gentle breeze that cools our skin is a reminder of this life-sustaining system. It connects us all, linking every living thing in a delicate web of air and energy. Without our atmosphere, Earth would be as barren and lifeless as Mars, a world stripped of color, water, and the possibility of life. The difference between a thriving planet and a desolate rock is this invisible, miraculous veil. Our atmosphere is a miracle we can't afford to take for granted. It is our shared responsibility to cherish and protect this precious shield for ourselves and for every generation yet to come. Sixth, beyond the atmosphere, Earth's magnetic field, the magnetosphere, deflects the solar wind, a stream of charged particles from the sun. This protective bubble is crucial for maintaining life on our planet. Without it, the relentless solar wind would strip away our atmosphere, leaving Earth barren and lifeless. Without this shield, our atmosphere would be stripped away, as happened to Mars. Mars, once potentially habitable, lost its magnetic field billions of years ago, resulting in the loss of its atmosphere and surface water. This left the planet a cold, desolate desert. The magnetosphere channels some particles toward the poles, creating the auroras, nature's light show. These dazzling displays of light are not just beautiful. They are a visible reminder of the invisible forces at work, protecting our planet. This invisible force preserves our air, protects us from radiation, and paints the sky with shimmering colors. The auroras are a testament to the dynamic interactions between the solar wind and our planet's magnetic field. The magnetic field is born from the core's motion, making it essential for life. Deep within the Earth, molten iron and nickel swirl and churn, generating the magnetic field that extends far into space. It's a silent guardian, working tirelessly to keep our world safe. This unseen force operates continuously, shielding us from harmful solar radiation and cosmic rays. The next time you see the northern or southern lights, remember, you're witnessing Earth's invisible shield in action. These lights are a beautiful byproduct of the magnetosphere's protective work. Our planet's safety depends on this unseen force. The magnetosphere is not just a scientific curiosity, it is a vital component of Earth's ability to sustain life. Seventh, the ground feels solid, but Earth's surface is in constant motion. Plate tectonics, the movement of giant slabs of crust, drives earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain building. Continents drift at the speed of fingernails, reshaping the map over millions of years. Where plates collide, mountains rise. Where they pull apart, new crust forms. 200 million years ago, all land was joined as Pangaea. Now, continents are scattered and still moving. Plate tectonics explains earthquakes, volcanoes, and the distribution of fossils. The continents are passengers on a restless journey. Our world is ever-changing, shaped by forces deep within. The solid ground beneath us is anything but still. Eighth, gravity holds us to Earth, but its pull isn't the same everywhere. The planet's bulge at the equator and uneven distribution of mass create subtle variations. You weigh slightly less at the equator than at the poles. Mountains, valleys, and underground features all affect local gravity. Scientists map these variations to reveal hidden geology, water reserves, magma, and more. Gravity's patchiness tells a story of Earth's inner structure. Even this fundamental force is shaped by the planet's complexity. The pull that anchors us is as varied as the world itself. Ninth, life on Earth began over 3.5 billion years ago with simple, single-celled organisms. For 2 billion years, microbes ruled the planet. Cyanobacteria evolved photosynthesis, releasing oxygen and transforming the atmosphere. This great oxidation event paved the way for complex life. The Cambrian explosion, 540 million years ago, unleashed a burst of new species. Life moved from sea to land, plants, then animals, then mammals. Evolution is a story of survival, extinction, and adaptation. Every living thing today is part of this ancient, ongoing narrative. We are the latest chapter in Earth's 4 billion-year story. 10th, of all the worlds we know, only Earth harbors life. The odds are staggering. A planet with water, a magnetic field, and a stable climate, all in the right place at the right time. Every forest, reef, and species is part of a singular miracle. This uniqueness makes Earth priceless. Our planet's beauty and fragility are unmatched in the cosmos. The challenges we face, climate change, biodiversity loss, threaten this rare experiment. To understand Earth is to value it. To value it is to protect it. We are stewards of a treasure found nowhere else. Our duty is to safeguard this lonely miracle for generations to come. Let's quickly recap. Thank you for joining this journey through Earth's wonders. Let's keep the conversation going and celebrate our remarkable home. Until next time, remember, the world around you is more extraordinary than you can imagine. Subscribe to Master Space.